Hi everyone, I just want to show you this little mini book that we'll be making at a all-day class at Fave Rave in Stourbridge on Saturday the 24th of August. We'll be starting about 10:30, finishing sort of mid-afternoon about 3:30, but there is more information on my Facebook page and I will leave you some information in the comment section. Now this book is quite tiny. Actually originally it was designed to be made with money envelopes, but I've kind of tweaked that a bit because I wanted to use a black base for my paper, because the paper I'm using is this absolutely stunning Graphic 45 Lost in Paradise paper, which I just can't resist because the colours are amazing. So that's what we're going to be using on the 24th of August, and in your kit you will get all the papers that I've used. You'll get this absolutely stunning little charm made by my friend Mel at Saffy Mel. Yours will be slightly different because I've got some slightly different charms to put on it, but you're going to have a beautiful handmade charm for your book. And I just want to quickly show you through it. So a little bit of fussy cutting on the front page here. We've got some Scrappinette's chipboards, which I absolutely adore. The book itself is gatefold. We'll be using chipboard to put it together. And then when you open up, you'll see the book itself. Now there's lots of little spaces for little tags where you might be able to put little photos. Here we've got a belly band page. Each page actually comes with a little space to put a tag in at the end. Here we've got some chipboard just because it's absolutely stunning. Here a little policy envelope where we can pop little things inside there. It is a proper little envelope. We've got space for photos all over, or you can just use your book to showcase these stunning papers. And then a little tag at the back as well. There's some more space on the back page for little photo tags. And then if I turn the book over itself, oh, I love that noise. The clip of a good magnet. You'll see that we've got space here for more photos or phrases or whatever you like. As I said, your kit comes with everything you're going to need. There's papers in there, there's chipboards, there's flowers, there's these little metal embellishments, everything that you need. Now to book on, all you need to do is to contact me. You can either go to my website at calsummers.co.uk and then book online, or you can actually pop into Fave Rave and book directly with them. The cost of the class is £40, which includes everything that you're going to need. Just bring along your tools like a trimmer, etc. But I really hope to see you there. We've got a few booked on, but there's always space for a few more, isn't there? And I will see you very soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.